Hello guys, and welcome back to another Yeet It at a video. And today guys, I'm gonna be showing you how OBS Studio works, cause I know my friend from school was asking how it works, so that's why I'm making this video. So yeah, thanks for the idea. Anyways, we have to jump straight to it. Okay, so first of all, when you open OBS Studio, you will see this. Okay, so if you want to record something, for example, you have to add some icons to help you. Because, yeah, that's how this thing works. I know it's kind of dumb, but okay. So you have to go on the plus button on the bottom left. And then you will see a bunch of icons. Okay, so there's a bunch of stuff that are kind of useless, but what I really want is display capture. So, okay, this doesn't matter. Okay, now you can see that the mouse, so you can see that it's actually displaying on the screen that what are you recording, so that's cool. And then if you want a microphone, you go down here and you see audio input capture, add that, and now your camera, oh, and then you have to also add microphone. Okay, and now your camera is, your microphone is now displayed here, so yeah, you could do that, and now you see how loud you're talking, like this. Okay, so and then if you have a camera, you can go down, video capture, and then you have your camera. Of course, I don't have a camera, but yeah, that's just if you want to have a camera. Bottom right, there's a settings tab, and if you go straight down to hotkeys, you can shorten, like starting recording and stuff. Okay, which is cool. You can fiddle with that. And then to record is start record. And last thing is, if you want to claim your video, because you can't see your video from this, you have to go to files, videos, and then you'll see it pop up here, which is cool. Okay, thank you guys for watching.